Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your work for art. When you are in your classroom of art and you go to your classwork and you see your assignment, you're going to click on it. Good morning, friends. Today we're going to learn how to upload our assignments in art. So when you are in your classroom of art, the easiest way to do it is to go to your to-do, and here in art is spring is here, so you're going to click it and then you're going to get to this page. You will go ahead and you will click your link, you'll do your assignment, and then over here is where you are going to add or create your work. So your directions were to take a picture of your drawing, and so you're going to add or create, and you're going to link your file from right here, and that's where your picture will go. So you'll do your file, you select where it is, and then we'll just go ahead and I'm going to pick my device. And then you go to where you find it. So you pick a picture, you click open. Let me find a good picture for you. Okay, so here's a picture of Razkid. So I'm going to open it. There's my file. I'm going to open it. Then you click upload. And then you'll see right here is where your work is. Once it says that it's loaded, see how it changed colors? Now you can turn it in. And once you hit turn in and you have your thing attached, you are done with that assignment.